Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to crimp your hair with braiding, a straightener, and hairspray. It's pretty simple. It doesn't really damage your hair really. It doesn't. Anyway, so I'm gonna demonstrate it on her because she did it to me last night.
And it looks really pretty.
It does. It looks really pretty. You don't need that much heat on it either. It's like barely even any heat, so it doesn't ruin your hair.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah, and you need to brush out your hair before you do it, like she's doing.
You don't get a lot of
hair to braid. Yeah, hang on, should we sit down? Right here. Do this one. Okay. So I'm gonna do her bangs. Oh my gosh. Alright. That much more.
Get the brush and make sure it's brushed out. Good.
Yeah. You really want to make sure it's brushed out. Hold that so I can go get something to paint this. Hold that so I can. Hang on.
Do you have a chair I have? Not that much.
Yes.
Enough. Yeah, you might want to get something to like pin your other hair back or something.
Okay. And you're gonna braid it. Which braiding is pretty simple.
Make sure you get it all the way up to the top. Like it starts there. And it's tight.
Okay. The braiding is pretty easy. If you don't know how to braid, I'm sure there's videos on YouTube for you to look at how to braid. Make sure it says just braid, not like French braiding, anything like that. Again, you can also French braid your hair and keep it there overnight and take it out, but
And make sure it's wet, but this is faster.
yeah. Alright. So hold that and you hairspray it. You hairspray it. And no, you didn't turn it on. Alright, so honestly you would also want your hairspray to kind of dry before you put any heat on it.
Yeah, we have some good hairspray here.
It's Rave 4x Mega Scented Hairspray for style that stays. Looks like this. You don't need nothing professional or anything like that. Alright.
Smell it. Smell that heat.
Alright. So, I'm about to on this side. Alright, so you grab the ends and you're going to go down and you're going to clamp down and hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds. And you're going to screw it down and keep on going like this. But don't put too much pressure on it unless you'll undo the braid a little bit. Or it'll be frizzy, so you want to do this. And kind of keep on doing this. Or you can just keep on clamping down. Which I just prefer to keep on clamping down.
Or just like go down.
Or keep on down like this. Alright. Hang on. Ah!
Here we go. I always do that. Make sure it's hot.
Yeah, make sure your straightener is hot, but not too hot.
And make sure your braid is like kind of hot, and then you undo it.
Make sure you do it when you undo it. Make sure you be careful not to.
See here.
All right.
This is what it looks like right now.
Looks like that, but you can also brush it out. And it looks really pretty after you brush it out. And it looks crimped and everything.
But it'd be better if you did it on other pieces of your hair or something.
Yeah, not just your bangs.
But anyway, yeah, it's really pretty.
If you wanted us to, we could do the whole head, but that would take a while. Because
Yeah,
we have so much hair.
Now you know how to clip your hair.
Especially if you have short hair. If you have short hair, that would be good to do.
I'm just like brushing it back. Okay, so yeah, now you know how to clip your hair.
Alright. Instead of using a crimper, because crimper takes
a long time.
And it ruins your hair. Alright, so hope you liked it. Bye.
Bye.